invite collaborator option not working or not showing. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix this problem easily and fast. So first thing you want to do is open the settings. After you open settings, you will find many apps right here on this page. So just scroll and go to the apps manager. After you go to the apps manager, click on the apps. Now on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll like this until you find Instagram and click on it. Now click here on the force stop option and then go to the notifications management and scroll until you find the badges notifications and make sure it's enabled. Now go back, click on storage, click on clear cache, and that's it. Now open the Play Store or the App Store and search for Instagram and update it. Don't forget to like and subscribe.